Agate. 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 Potato. What are you doing here? meMiner here, and this is Daisy, and what we have is 6 pounds of Brazilian agate. I think what we want to do is cut it up and see what's inside. Come join me, we'll have some fun. Here's my rock, cut, dry, in a 6-pound rock tumbler barrel. This barrel holds up to 5 pounds, so I'm a little bit light on rock right now. Because, I decided not to cut and tumble these 3 pieces. I think they're just too nice to sacrifice to a rock tumbler. I'll do them instead on a flat lap. The wet is a good indication on how they'll look when they're polished. Next up, 325. Voila. We'll move on to 600 grit. He likes rocks. Let him do his own thing. 1200 grit. Final step will be alumina 3000 grit tumbler polish, and the way you use this is it goes as a paste onto a pad. This is the end of the project. We'll do the reveal. Because we need some more rock, I happen to have some jaspers and agates already cut. Different shapes and sizes. Load the barrel up. I think I'm going to overload the tumbler because there's a lot of space between these rocks. They'll settle out as they round down. I'll use silica carbide coarse grit. Normally I would use 1 to 2 tablespoons of grit in stage 1 and 2 per pound of rock. We'll see how this goes. I can always add more grit later. I'm a little bit cheap when it comes to grit. Add water to below the upper level of rocks. Button it up, and we're good to go. This stage will probably take about 2 weeks. Okay, these have been running for 10 days. I had taken a peek about 4 days ago and noticed that the level of the rocks was down in the barrel, so I added just a little bit of tumbler media. Here's the rocks dry, and you can see they're not shiny, but the rounding is pretty good. They will continue to round in medium polish. This is 150-220 grit, and then add back in some tumbling media, clean water. One thing to be aware, you don't want to catch any of these beads along the inside rim. You won't get a tight fit and your barrel may open up. Shiny now because they're wet. We'll clean them off properly and then show them dry and into the next stage. Here are the rocks dry. You can see the rounding is completed. Clean water. Stage 3 aluminum oxide pre-polish. Tumbler media. Button it up. I'll let it run for a week. They are looking nice, wet, but we'll clean them really well and look at them dry before putting them into polish. But I think they're going to be nice. 6-pounder rock. So 6 tablespoons of polish. See you in a couple of weeks. Ivory soap. Without further ado, let's rinse off these rocks and look at them dry. This is my wife's favorite, and she's asked me to make a pendant from it. Very simple design. 14 karat on the end here. The rock was drilled and a peg put into the stone. gyrations in this one. And I thank you so much for watching. Bye for now. Well, no caterpillars were hurt in making this video. I released him into a tree. He's climbing up to the sky. I think he found where he wanted to be. It's way better than a rock.